My video is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called suhefinde.net. Suhefinde.net. The reason why I'm pronouncing it not really properly, according to English terms, is because this is something in German, I guess. This is the browser hijacker that is designed specifically to attack computers in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland, and some other German-speaking countries. This hijacker, suhefinde.net, mainly attacks Google Chrome browser, and it is spread through integration with many free applications. Whenever users submit any search queries, they get the results by some other fake search engines, and often they see a lot of advertisements and sponsored links on top. This hijacker changes the default search engine settings without asking users' approval or even opinion. So you need to remove it immediately by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions. Then if you find any third-party extensions here, get rid of them. To be convinced that your system is free of any other infections, I do recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start examining your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.